Aaliyah.
Hi.
What are you doing? Here, you want it? What's this?
Elmo.
Not Elmo. We're done, Elmo. What's this?
Elmo.
That's not Elmo. What's that?
Pig.
Good. What is it? Do you want another one? Aaliyah, what's this?
Pig.
Pig. Very good. What's this? What's this? No? Are we all done for now? You just want the pigs? Do you want more pig? Look. Aaliyah, look. What's that? What's that? Here, I have more. What's that? You have...
Okay.
You're all done?
Goes down.
You want it down? Here you go.
Down.
Pink. What do you want?
Down.
You want it down?
Down.
There you go. What else?
Piggy.
A cookie? It looks like cookie. It does. What about this? What's that? Aaliyah, what's this? Are you all done with the book? Bye-bye, book. Let's clean it up. Yeah, put it back. Put it back. Here. Okay, put it back. Put on the shelf. Okay, put it away. I don't want it. You're welcome. Put it here. Good listening. Thank you. What do you want down? Show me. You want puzzle down? Mm-hmm. Which one? One up there? That is a book. Very good. Are you going to read the book? Nay, nay. What's that?
Piggy.
A piggy. Milk? Mm-hmm. What else? Where is it?
Mimi?
Did you have it on your head?
Mimi.
Mimi?
Mimi? Whoa.
Whoa! Oh, you're putting them on. What's that, Aaliyah? What's this? Aaliyah, look. Look at my nose. Look. Wait. What's this? What's this?
Ush.
What's this?
Ush.
What?
Ush.
Where's the horse? The horse.
Ush.
You have a horse.
Down.
You want more things down?
Down.
Okay, I'll take it down. Here.
Down.
More down?
Down.
Okay, here you go. Now what? Should we put them back up? Do you want to put them up? What's that?
Down. Down.
It's down. Should we put it up? Okay, let's put them up.
Ouch.
Ouch, did she fall down?
Done.
Okay, we're all done with ouch?
Bye-bye, bee.
Bye-bye.